Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. Economics chapter The Story of Village Palampur. Today's topic are organization of production, farming in Palampur. When we talk about production, production is the method of turning raw material in the finished goods. When we see what kind of factors is required in production, then it is land, labor, physical capital, which include fixed capital and working capital, and human capital. So now we are going to see how it works. When we talk about land, it is first requirement and other natural resources such as water, forest and mineral. The second requirement is labor, people who will do the work. Some production activities require highly educated workers to perform the necessary task. Other activities require workers who can do manual work. The third requirement is physical capital, that is divided into fixed capital and working capital. Tools, machine, buildings are considered as fixed capital as it can be used in production over many years. Raw material and money in hand production require a variety of raw material such as yarn used by the weaver and the clay used by the potter. Also, some money is always required during production to make payment and buy other necessary item. Raw material and money in hand are called working capitals. There is a fourth requirement too, that is knowledge and enterprises, that put together land, labor and physical capital and produce an output either to use ourselves or to sell in the market. All these days it is called the human capital. We shall learn more about this thing in next chapter. Now the next topic is farming in Palampur. Under this topic we are going to see the land proportion in Palampur. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of people are dependent on farming for their livelihood. Since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. By then, some of the wasteland in the village has been converted to cultivable land. Is there a way one can grow more from the same piece of land? How this thing possible in Palampur, we are going to see in different topic. In Palampur, there were two cropping season. One is Kharif season, which works in rain or the rainy season, and second is Rabi season, which is also known as the winter season. The Kharif season crops are jowar and bajra. These crops are used for human being as well as cattle feed. When we talk about the Rabi season, the main crop is wheat and it is followed by the yearly crop which is known as sugarcane. So this is how the cropping season carried out in Palampur. What kind of pattern used in Palampur by the farmers? Single crop, double crop or multiple crop. Single crop means growing one crop in a season like alone wheat or rice. Double crop means growing more than one crop in a particular year like sugarcane or along with that other crop or wheat or pulses. And multiple cropping means more than two crops. For example, in Palampur, they are growing jowar, bajra and potatoes. So this is called multiple cropping. So the answer, if someone need, then one can grow more on a same piece of land. Thank you. Have a nice day.